Basic English grammar review with Learning Buddy. Number 1. Blank doing a great job feeding the dogs. Is it A, your, or B, your? These two words are commonly mixed up because they sound the same when spoken aloud, though they have different spellings and meanings. When we say your, Y-O-U-R, it is the possessive form of the word you. Meanwhile, your with an apostrophe and R-E means the contraction of the words you and are. Which one should be used in this sentence? In this sentence, you have to create a question. Who is doing a great job feeding the dogs? The answer is you. You are doing a great job feeding the dogs. Another clue is the ing base form of the main verb. Of course, we use the helping verb is, are, was, or were before the main verb. Next, let's proceed to number 2. Blank dog is running. Is it your, possessive, or your? Contraction. Obviously, the answer here is letter A, your, possessive. It is called a possessive adjective, which is used to indicate ownership. It is also used to express a relationship between the person being referred to and something that belongs to them. Possession, dog. Word to use, your, Y-O-U-R. Your dog is running. You cannot say, your dog is running. Number 3. Blank, my first time to attend a concert. Which one should be used in this sentence? Is it A, eats? Eats with an apostrophe is called a contraction of the words eat and is. It also means it has, a contraction of eat and has. Letter B, eats without an apostrophe is called a possessive form of it. But it's have an S, it's possessive. Which one should be used? The correct answer is eats with an apostrophe, which means it is. It is my first time to attend a concert. You cannot say eats without an apostrophe because there is no possession in the sentence. Alright? Number 4. The phone was too large for case. Which one should be used? Is it A, eats, the contraction, or eats, the possessive form? You need to find which clue gives you the hint to answer this simple sentence. The clue is the word case. It is the possession of the phone, the phone's case, the case of the phone. Case is the possession. The owner of it is the phone. Again, the phone's case or the case of the phone. Possessive. It's without an apostrophe. The phone was too large for its case. You cannot say the phone was too large for its case. Number 5. We will meet blank and head to the concert together. Is it A, B, or C? Letter A, there, is a pronoun. It is a possessive form of the pronoun they, often followed by a noun. There indicates ownership and describes something owned by one or more persons. Meanwhile, letter B, there, means in or at that place. It is usually used as an adverb of place. And the word there is a contraction of they and are. They are. Your clue in this sentence is the word meet. Where do we meet? Usually we meet at a specific place. The answer is there. Adverb of place. We will meet there and head to the concert together. Number 6. Blank not interested in the lesson. Is it there, possessive, or there, contraction, or there, adverb? Which one should be used in this sentence? You have to create a question in your mind to answer this simple sentence. Who is not interested in the lesson? The answer would be they. They are. They are not interested in the lesson. How about number 7? Blank car has a problem. Is it there, possessive, there, contraction, or there, adverb? The clue in this sentence is the word car. It is something that is possessed by someone. Is it A, B, C, or D? Share your answer in the comments.